music of Queen is already incorporates a lot of classical elements and a lot of other styles as well, and sort of integrates them completely organically into one idiom.
It's really important to kind of think outside the box and do different things and push the boundaries when you're doing classical music, and I think this project does exactly that.
Reaction's been fantastic. Mum and Dad came last night and they loved it. And to all ages as well, so it's really interesting to see, you know, lots of kids there and right up to much older people, and everyone enjoying themselves.
Working on the Freddie Mercury Project with Sinfonia Cymru has been an extraordinary occasion to share performing this music with extremely passionate musicians that have put so much energy into it. Just trying to use your classical musician abilities, the arsenal of techniques that we are trained for, and then go further and into new musical expressions, in fact.
I think what Vlad has shown is that Freddie Mercury's music has got so much to it, and he obviously saw the potential in that and saw how well it would work on the instruments that we play.
He brings such energy and passion to the entire thing, and he really loves Queen.
It's been fantastic to play it in Wales, actually, because in every venue the audience has been immediately with us, and we've had standing ovations, and we've had them sing "We Will Rock You" with us. It's really unexpected, and it's really nice to have such good crowds that you can, apart from sharing it as musicians, also share it with the audience in such a way.
And it's just really important to take this music around the country, you know, to audiences that probably wouldn't have known they liked it, and they get to see us play. And I think because we're younger and because we're friends, we're obviously enjoying it, and I think that's really important.
It's so fantastic to be part of the whole Sinfonia Cymru family. Something I've been part of since I think it was about 14. It's really amazing to see how it's developed. It's provided so many fantastic opportunities, not just, you know, on stage, but off stage. Ideas are talked about freely. It's very democratic. If you've got an idea, you can talk about it, and it's one of the only places that you can do that. You can be free to be creative and think outside the box.
And no matter what project we do, we always just seem to have a great time and make amazing music, so there's nothing not to love, really.